All right, so today we're taking a look at this glass mat that we've got set up here. Now this thing is awesome for a clean aesthetic desk setup, and you can see here on the edges, this actually has a curve right here, which is really nice, especially if you have this on hardwood. Now you could use this on either carpet or hardwood. Either one works totally fine, but it's nice because you can go ahead and roll your wheels off of here and it makes it nice and easy for them to come back up on. Unlike some of the other ones where they just have a squared out corner, then you're gonna be bumping your chair up against it. But you could also see here that I have these kind of rollerblade wheels on here, which makes the experience even better. Now, if you've got regular office chair wheels, that's totally fine too, because those will roll on here just like normal. But this glass mat is going to be 10 times better than your traditional plastic mat. Number one, because when you sit down in your chair, those plastic mats, they always end up folding up, and then it makes it difficult to slide around. But actually having glass like this makes it really easy for you to move around smoothly without any issues. The second thing is, with those plastic mats, most of the time they end up cracking over time because they're constantly being bent. Plus they end up drying out over time, which ends up making them crack. Then you constantly have to replace them. Also, with those plastic mats, a lot of the time they have those little spikes down at the bottom, and those spikes go into your carpet and could potentially mess up your carpet. Whereas this is completely flat at the bottom. It's gonna hold over 1,000 pounds. And we got the, I think this is the 45 by 52 or 53 size. And you can kind of configure it how you want. We did it this way because I do a lot of sitting in my chair, getting up out of my chair, so I want to make sure I have enough of a runway for me to get up. But if you wanted to, you could switch it out the other way, and that way you can move a little bit more side to side. Now, like I said, you could also use this on a hardwood floor as well, and you're going to see these little pieces that come with it. You've got a bunch of these little rubber, they're kind of like rubber pieces. They're going to help this from sliding around. And it's also going to have these Velcro strips that come with it too, so you can go ahead and Velcro parts of it down as well. But it's nice that they even included all of these. You can really put these all around, and right now they've got a little yellow sticker on them, but you peel that yellow sticker off and you're going to see that these are completely clear, so you're not going to actually see them underneath here, which is really nice. Now, like I said, this is a very strong glass and can hold up to 1,000 pounds, and it might be a little worrisome at first because it's glass and you're not used to stepping on glass, but it's really nice because regardless of how heavy you are or your chair is or whatever else is going on here, it should be able to hold it. Like I said, it's 1,000 pound weight capacity, which is pretty crazy for this tempered glass. And I also just want to show it kind of set up here with the desk, because right now we're really focusing on setting our office up here. We've got an old desk over here, which is kind of a mess right now, but this is our new little section right here that's all cleaned up, and we're looking to make it look aesthetic. And I mean, the glass on the floor just gives it this really nice premium look that you're just not going to get from a traditional plastic mat. Plus, this also is really going to help to protect your floor as well. Even if you've got rollerblade wheels like these ones here, it still could over time mess up your floor. You got to think it's constantly running over your floor. And even more so when it comes to chair wheels like this. These are terrible for your floor. They could easily snag your carpet, or if you've got this on your hardwood, laminate, or anything like that, constantly running things over and messing them up. Whereas this is perfect. All you got to do is spray down with a little bit of Windex, a little bit of glass cleaner, polish it up one time, and it's back to brand new. So this is one of those things where, yes, the price may be more than the plastic version, but it's one of those things where you literally just have to buy this one time and you are set. You're literally going to have this thing for as long as you want to keep it, and it really upgrades any room that you put this in. So we have another desk that we're going to be setting up in our loft here, so I'll be grabbing another one for our other desk over there, and I think these things look absolutely great. They're super functional, and again, you're going to have this thing forever, so why not get something that's going to look better, and you don't have to worry about damaging your hardwood floors or your carpets. And this company also makes a bunch of other sizes and different colors and stuff like that as well. So if you didn't want this specific size or color, make sure that you click on the brand name or the brand store, and you can see all the different variations that they have. This one worked perfect for our room, but yeah, if you need something a little bit different, they definitely have more sizes, and I really recommend this brand because they do such an amazing job. They even send you a little welcome letter when you get your package. They also do an amazing job job of packaging it up. It comes in styrofoam, it's got hardened sides, it's got double layer cardboard and everything. So you don't have to worry about this coming to your house and being damaged. And even if it is, you know, Amazon's got that return policy, which is great. So if you're looking for a glass mat for your office setup, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.